Ang ganang Aldab Nation.
Unang-una, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. And thank you for being here. Kahit na may bagyo, andito pa rin talaga kayo. Kaya talaga, super thank you talaga. Tuloy ko ba ito? I think when we started this event, a lot of people were asking na sino ba kami, ganyan. And actually, we're a young group talaga. We just met this May online sa Twitter. Kasi we are fans of a certain fan fiction author, si MJ. Ayun kilala niyo ba si MJ? Yung sa He Said, She Said. Sige, sabihin niyo yon. He Said, She Said sa Wattpad. So, parang we just got together and then, because of that, nabuo yung Orgcom. So, nung time na yon, nag-usap kami na parang pupunta siya dito kasi she doesn't live in Manila. She lives in Bacolod. So, sabi niya, pupunta akong Manila, ganyan, for the eve of, for Aldab, nung July 16. She said she'll be coming here, ganyan, so nabuo kami. And then, marami kaming naging project for one, in a span of, since May, we managed to contribute dun sa, yung sa, isang lapis, isang papel, thank you. So, we managed to contribute sa isang lapis, isang papel, ganyan. But all throughout, yung sa mga usap namin, one thing that really stood out was yung sinasabi na we wanted to have an event na magkasama-sama yung mga fans. Kasi, di ba, ang sarap-sarap manood ng Kalye-serye, ang sarap-sarap manood ng mga Aldab, mga videos na ganyan, di ba, kung may kasama ka, ang sarap sumigaw. Di ba? Di ba yung kaninang napanood nyo? Di ba, pag ikaw lang mag-isa, parang iyak ka lang mag-isang ganyan. Pero pag kasama mo kapwa fans mo, di ba parang saya-sayang panoorin? Hindi nakakayang umiyak, di ba? Naiyak ba kayo nung kanina? Di ba? Ang saya. So parang, because of that, we got together and then, yung una, iniisip namin, paano ba? How? Paano? Hashtag, di ba? Hashtag paano. And a lot of ideas, we had a lot of ideas kasi una sabi namin, park, ganyan, mga tipong 100 people, 200. But the response was really overwhelming. Na parang una naging 1,000, 1,500, and I'm not actually sure how many we are here right now. Parang more than 2,000 yata tayo, siguro. So, thank you, sobrang thank you talaga. Kasi when we started this, aminin namin wala talaga kaming pera. So parang wala. So, we are really, really thankful kasi ang daming tulong naming nakuha. Not only from our sponsors, but also from, all of you. Maraming tumulong. I mean, even from those na, especially from Team Abroad, Team Province, Team Hindi Makakapunta, they would send messages na parang, this is my help and please have fun. Sobrang ang sarap sa puso. And then we would also get messages na, if you need help, ganyan, magsundo sa whatever, magsundo sa product, ganyan, we're available. So, if there's one thing na talagang common sa Aldab Nation, is the spirit of bayanihan. Diba? We're celebrating this because of tamang panahon. Last year, it was really bayanihan spirit because of the Aldab Libraries. That's why we wanted to commemorate it with our Aldab Libraries donation book drive. So, sana nagdala kayo ng books for them. So, before I end, kasi alam kong excited kayo sa program, hindi ko alam kung nasan sila, bigla silang nawala. I would want to give recognition to the rest of the Orgcom, the organization committee. Kasi 10 lang kami. Well, may 10 po kami. Nagkakilala-kilala talaga kami sa Twitter. We don't know, hindi kami magkakilala even before May. So, just to give a brief background, si Mami Kim, mag-hello siya, di ba? Siya yung in charge actually sa mga pickups namin and also inampun niya yung mga performers namin. And then si Karen, kaya hindi tayo nagutom ngayon, sana hindi kayo nagutom. Siya yung in charge of food. And then kung nakikita niyo yung ating magandang logo, that was actually made by Tere. Asang ka, Tere? Magpakita ka. We are so proud of that logo kasi ang ganda, di ba? Di ba? And then for Candy, Sana ma-recognize niyo sila. Sila yung may ID katulad ko. She actually just arranged tong logistics talaga. She coordinated with SMX and all the suppliers. And then, yung mga kasama ko sa finance, actually team abroad sila. Si Jill at saka si P. Hi, nanonood sila sa live stream. P, Jill! Kasama ko sila sa finance and si Jill, si PA, si FE yun. Ayan. Based yun sasabihin ko kung saan country ka, Jill. So, basta based abroad sila. And then, yung pasimuno ng lahat na to, kasi dream niya talaga to, sumakay lang kami eh. Na parang, so si MJ, lumabas, ayaw niya talaga. Siya dapat nagsasalita dito, inassign lang niya ako. Okay? So, thank you so much. And also to our sponsors. Nawala yung kodi ko. To our sponsors, our partner, Coke. Thank you talaga. Thank you, Coke. And then, our other sponsors. Teka lang, sorry. Neozep, Bear Brand, McDonald's, Oishi, Magnolia, Maynilad, Uber, Platinum Video, PLDT, yung nag-provide ng live stream natin, and Happy. And then our suppliers, talaga, thank you. Miss Nicole, Chris, thank you. Sobra. And then GMA and Tape. And lastly, the main reason why we are here. Alden and Maine, thank you so much. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. So mula sa aming lahat, maraming salamat po.